Welcome to the 32 Days of Disney Family YouTube channel. Be sure to follow us on Facebook and Twitter, like and share this video, and hit that subscribe button.
My name's Chef Brexton, and now I'm going to make Toy Story 1 Georgie's with my special guest, my sister, Sophia.
Hi!
For that to make the cream spread.
We've already added a half of a cup of cream cheese to the bowl.
Let's grab half a cup of old saddle.
Okay, and in. Okay, Brexton, and in it goes. And then we add 2 tablespoons of whipping cream. One, 2. Well, next we add a 1/4 teaspoon of coarse salt. Next, we mix it together.
Let's try to add the garlic spread.
1 cup of mayonnaise. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic and a half. And now we add half a teaspoon of coarse salt.
Question thing.
On 1 piece of bread, we put 2 slices of cheddar.
On one piece of bread, we put 2 slices of cheddar.
On the other piece, we put 2 slices of provolone.
On the other piece, we put 2 pieces of provolone.
Next, we put a scoop of the cream cheese mix on the provolone and we flatten it out and spread. Next, we close the sandwich and press it down.
Next, we're going to use our garlic spread and spread on one side of the bread.
Next, we flip it and put garlic spread on the other side. Next, we put it on the hot grill.
Thank you for watching our video. Be sure to like and share the video with all your friends, as well as make sure to click on that subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and check out more of our awesome videos. Follow along on Facebook at 32 Days of Disney Family or on Twitter at 32 Days of Disney. And those of you looking for your own magical vacation,